Hello guys, welcome back to AutoZaf channel. The legendary Yamaha XT 500 is back, and it's bolder than ever. Introducing the 2026 Yamaha XT 500 Blue Edition, a modern tribute to the iconic enduro that once ruled the dirt and the streets. Wrapped in a nostalgic blue paint scheme, this bike strikes a perfect balance between rugged retro charm and refined modern engineering. Yamaha didn't just bring the XT back, they reimagined it for a new generation of adventurers. From the first glance, the XT 500 Blue Edition stands out with its classic round headlamp, sculpted fuel tank, and high-mounted exhaust, all nods to the original 1970s design. But make no mistake, this isn't just a cosmetic throwback. Underneath the vintage exterior lies a thoroughly modern machine, built to handle everything from city cruising to backcountry trails with power and precision. Powering this reborn classic is a single-cylinder, 499 cubic centimeters fuel-injected engine, tuned for smooth torque and reliable performance. It delivers just enough punch to thrill, without overwhelming new riders. And with updated suspension, a lightweight frame, and dual-sport tires, the XT 500 Blue Edition feels nimble and responsive both on and off the pavement. One of the most impressive updates is the addition of modern electronics, including selectable riding modes, traction control, and a digital LCD display that blends seamlessly with the vintage dashboard. Yamaha clearly understood the assignment. Keep the soul, upgrade the heart. And for those worried about weight, it tips the scales at just over 300 pounds, making it one of the more agile bikes in its class. So, who is this bike for? If you're a seasoned rider looking for a dose of nostalgia, the XT 500 Blue Edition will tug at your heartstrings. And if you're a beginner seeking a reliable, stylish, and versatile ride, this bike might just be your perfect first love. It's ideal for daily commuting, weekend trail riding, or simply turning heads at your local bike meet. Now let's talk price. The 2026 Yamaha XT 500 Blue Edition comes with an MSRP of around $7,899. While it's not the cheapest dual sport on the market, you're paying for Yamaha's legendary reliability, a rich heritage, and a bike that's as fun to ride as it is to look at. Considering what you get, this retro-modern hybrid is a serious value. Final verdict: the 2026 Yamaha XT 500 Blue Edition is more than just a tribute, it's a rebirth. It captures everything we loved about the original, while smartly upgrading the essentials for today's riders. Whether you're chasing sunsets or just craving that pure motorcycling experience, this bike delivers it all, with style. Don't sleep on this one. This blue beast is built to ride, and built to last.